Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to locate your Trust Wallet recovery phrase, also called the seed phrase. This phrase is the most important key to your wallet. So yes, let's get started. Before we continue, remember, never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Don't enter it on random websites or apps and keep it safe because anyone with your phrase can access your funds. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Let me enter my passcode. Now on the home page, tap on main wallet at the top. This will show a list of all wallets you have added. Select the wallet you want to back up. Usually it's called main wallet if you didn't rename it. Tap the three dots next to your wallet. Then choose the backups, which will automatically show recovery phrase. Enter your phone security PIN or use biometrics if asked. Your 12-word recovery phrase will appear on the screen. Write it down on paper and store it somewhere safe offline. Do not take a screenshot as it can be hacked from your phone. And that's it. That's how you locate your Trust Wallet recovery phrase. Keep it private, keep it secure, and never share it with anyone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.